Save time on your CAD designs with the Part2CAD plugin, now available on the Harcourt website. This unique plugin allows you to directly insert an online CAD model into your design software without losing the mates and constraints of that model. Here's how it works. From the Harcourt website, select Catalog. The Harcourt Digital Catalog has an expansive library of products available for download. Today, we'll use a small H-flag component from the box joint tooling systems. On the product page, select Configure and CAD to load the product configurator. On the right, you see a real-time interactive preview of the product. On the left, you can configure the product to your specifications. As you do, the configurator will adjust the product ordering number to reflect your changes. You can also generate an updated 3D preview, which you can rotate, pan, and zoom within the window. Once you're satisfied with your configuration, click the CAD Download tab. Click the Settings icon, and then click Add Formats. This way, you can see the full list of CAD formats available to download through the Harcourt website. This is great for quick and free downloads of the product model, but today, let's show you how to download an online CAD model directly into your design software using the Part2CAD plugin. Click the Part2CAD option, select your design software, and then click Start Generation. If you are prompted to open the Part2CAD app in the Microsoft Store, go ahead and exit that window, and click the Part2CAD button within the Harcourt configurator. This launches the Part2CAD application and starter program. If this is your first time using the plugin, or in case the program doesn't start automatically, go ahead and download the starter program. Once you've installed that, you will be prompted to set up the Part2CAD application. Once that application has installed, you can launch the Direct Insert tool from the menu button. The Part2CAD application will download the necessary components through the Part2CAD starter program. This may take a couple minutes the first time you use the tool, but in the future, it will run much faster as it will only need to download the necessary instructions to build the files on your computer. For the sake of this video, we're going to fast forward a few minutes to the end of the download. If the application alerts your firewall system, click Allow Access. Now that the Part2CAD tool is ready to start, select your version of the design software that you chose from the Harcourt configurator. The Part2CAD application will then prompt you to select a location to store the CAD files. Choose your location and click OK. The Part2CAD application is now building the model for you in your CAD tool. This may take a couple minutes depending on the file size. For this video, we will skip ahead a couple minutes. Once the Part2CAD component is finished, you can see the completed assembly within your design software. This assembly includes the appropriate ordering number that you configured from the Harcourt website, as well as all the mates and constraints that are necessary to move this product through its range of motion. By clicking on different components within the 3D viewer, you can move and rotate them appropriately, which can help facilitate your CAD designs efficiently and accurately. For more tooling products and easy access to online CAD models, go to harcourt.co and visit partsolutions.com to learn more about the Part2CAD plugin and more online solutions for industrial manufacturers.